Hello and welcome back to Wistream blog. In this series of Terraform training sessions, this is the third video, and we are looking at how to install Terraform. So, setting up Terraform, like installation and setup for Terraform, involves downloading and the appropriate binary based on what operating system and you are using, and setting up the variable path, everything. So once installed, ensure that you have the correct version. So let's look at the installation process. And if for our trainings, we'll be using Windows box. So those who have Linux or Mac, they have a different process. So if you eat, that is like you can find that in the Terraform website, like how to install all stuff. It's pretty clear and pretty simple to do that. So these are the steps. First, we need to go to Terraform website, which is mentioned here, and we need to download the zip file which contains the executable of Terraform. So once we download it, we need to unzip the file. Then we need to create a folder called Terraform in program files, C program files x86, and we need to copy the terraform.exe file. We need to copy the file to the created folder. Once you done it, then the next step is to configure the environment variable. So we need to go to the environment variable, and we need to give the path of the Terraform file, like C program files x86 slash Terraform, and we need to save it. And then once it is done, then validate whether the Terraform is working fine or not. Just running the commands, you'll come to know. So this is the path. Like you need to go to system properties, advanced, and environment variables. There you need to go to path. You need to edit it and create a new entry here, and you need to give the path. So this is the uh, this is the process. So let's go to our practical sessions, and let's see. So the path is like as discussed, this is like a website where you can find the installer or binary. So for Mac, you need to use these commands. You need to download and use these commands. So brew is the command to install the package. So we need to download these. These are the files for Mac where you need to download it, and for Windows, if it is x86, this is the file, and for 64-bit, this is the file. And for Linux, you have tons of flavors in that. Whatever flavor you are using, you can go for it. And if it is like you need to run these commands, just copy this and put it on your console, like Linux console or Ubuntu console, and then it's ready. And you have lot of like files available, like binaries available for free BSD, open BSD, Solaris, like everything is available here. So we already downloaded the file. So let's go to the hold on. Give me a sec. Okay. So this is the zip file we downloaded, and this is the folder, and this is the file which you are talking about. We need to copy it, then go to C x86. Then we need to create a folder here with the name Terraform. Just we need to paste the file here. Now copy this path, then go to when you can do it from here. advanced system settings. Don't need this anymore. So here you need to go to environment variables. Here you need to select the path, then edit the path. Not here, here. This is the one. Edit, then create a path here, new entry, and just you need to paste it. Once this is done, click OK, 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 cancel it. And now open PowerShell or command prompt. Then now it's time to run the command and see whether it is working fine. Just we check the version. -v. Okay, now we can see that Terraform V version 1.9.3 is installed. Maybe we can try help. So yeah, it's working fine. You can see all commands like main commands like terraform it, terraform validate, terraform plan, apply, destroy, and these are the other commands which we'll be using in upcoming videos. So our installation is done now. So pretty simple, straightforward, no complications. We are good here. So installation is done, and uh, apart from that, we'll be also using the Microsoft Visual Studio Code, which is very much helpful. Like when you install Visual Studio Code, and if you add on the Terraform plugins, so whenever you write a code, it will help you with the syntax and any correction, any errors, it will show you. So yeah, my favorite is Visual Studio Code. In my next video, will be like showing how to install and configure, how to install Visual Studio Code and how to configure Terraform plugin. So and also like install Notepad++. All these we'll do it, and once everything is done, we'll go for actual labs for Terraform. So for now, that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching these videos, training sessions, and please do subscribe, and as always reach out to me on vstudentblog@gmail.com. Thank you. Bye bye.